अस्सलामु अलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों. A very good morning to all childrens. Today our subject is mathematics. Madni Primary Urdu School, Jogeshwari West, Standard 4th. Look at the picture. The boy name is Fahad. Fahad has how many cars? Yes, Fahad has 4 cars. Look in second picture. Boys' names are Imran and Salman. How many cars Imran and Salman has? Yes, very good. 5 cars they has. Now look in this picture. The boy name is Rinku. Rinku has how many cars? Yes, Rinku has 8 cars. Now look in the last picture. 2 boys are Shonu and Monu playing with how many cars? Yes, they both are playing only 1 car. So children, tell me how many cars children have altogether? Yes, very good. They have 18 cars altogether. How did you found total cars? Yes, by adding. So finding all together or total numbers of things, we do addition or plus. So today our topic is addition. You have already learned in 3rd standard 3-digit numbers addition. Yes? Now today we are going to learn more about addition, that is 4 or 5 digits number addition. While adding 3 digits numbers, we add units to units, tens to tens, and hundreds to hundreds. In the same way, while adding numbers with 4 or 5 digits, thousands are added to thousands and tens thousands to added 10,000s. Now let's solve some examples. Now look at this question. 4,301 plus 3,290. First step, what we will do? Yes, first we add unit digit to unit. It means 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, how much? Yes, 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Now, second step, 10 place to 10 place. That is 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Now, let's do third step. That is adding 100 place to 100 place. 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now adding 1000 place to 1000. That is 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 how much? Yes, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So adding 4,301 plus 3,290 is equal to how much? 7,591. That is our answer. Now let's see the next example. 12,336 plus 50,021. So how we start adding? Yes, in unit place to unit place. That is 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 how much? 6 plus 1 become 7. Now add 10 place to 10 place. That is 3 plus 2 become 5. Now in 100 place, which numbers are there? 3 and 0. 3 plus 0 becomes how much? Yes, 3 plus 0 becomes 3. Now add 1000 place numbers. 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 becomes how much? Yes, 2 plus 0 becomes 2. If you add 0 in any number, it remains the same. You get the same number. Now say which numbers are in 10,000 place? Yes, 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 how much? Yes, 1 plus 5 becomes 6. So what is our answer? 62,357. Now student, you understood how we can add 3 or 4 digits numbers. Thank you.